German delights. Authentic German Schnitzel recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Germany. Welcome into our channel, where we're going to take you on a delicious journey to Germany. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic German Schnitzel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Germany. To create this mouthwatering German Schnitzel, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 4 veal cutlets, about 1/4 inch thick, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1 cup breadcrumbs, preferably panko for extra crispiness, salt to taste, ground black pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon ground paprika, vegetable oil for frying, fresh lemon wedges for serving, fresh parsley chopped for garnish. Now, let's experience the flavors of Germany. Step 1. Season the veal cutlets with salt, ground black pepper, and ground paprika on both sides. This will infuse the meat with flavor and create a delicious base for the German Schnitzel. Step 2. Set up a breading station. Dredge each cutlet in the all-purpose flour, shaking off any excess. Then, dip it into the beaten eggs, coating it thoroughly. Finally, press the cutlet into the breadcrumbs, ensuring an even and crisp breading. Step 3. In a large frying pan, add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it reaches about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. To test if the oil is ready, you can drop a few breadcrumbs into the oil. They should sizzle and float to the top. Step 4. Carefully place the breaded cutlets into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Step 5. Once the schnitzel are cooked to perfection, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. The paper towels will help absorb any excess oil, leaving you with perfectly crispy cutlets. Step 6. Serve the German Schnitzel with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, which adds a tangy and refreshing element to the dish. Garnish with a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. And there you have it, German Schnitzel, a delicious and iconic dish that represents the authentic flavors of Germany. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Germany. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic German Schnitzel. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, guten Appetit and happy cooking!